My name is Deb, and I've been here about 7 years. I love to read, I love puzzles, I love the garden. Anything outside, pretty much. The fact that we can do everything from the beginning to the end helps us a lot, so we can change with the times. So supply chain or any of that stuff, we can roll with it. So it makes it good for the customers, makes them happy. I love the people. We're family. I just love being with each other. We all help each other. It just makes it for a good day.